Happy Monday. Hope you had a nice weekend. Today I am talking about how you can get more organic outreach when everyone's freaking out about algorithms and changes on Facebook. This is one of my best pieces of advice on how you can stay relatable on social media for your business and get more organic outreach. So today I'm talking trending hashtags. This is important. This is why you need to be paying attention to hashtags. When you pay attention to trending hashtags, you can stay on top of relatable topics, which helps you connect to your audience. So my top 3 trending hashtags that you should check out and use for your business or interact with the people using these hashtags. Today, an obvious one, hashtag Monday Motivation. Second one, hashtag National Southern Food Day. So how can you use that and relate it to your business, relate it to your followers, what's top of mind for them? Lastly, hashtag I still haven't found. So use these as a way to get creative and stay relatable. Again, your number one competition on social media, adorable babies, wedding photos, the news. So you need to compete with or stay relatable to what's top of mind and what's important for your key followers on social media and for your business. Remember, what problems do you solve for your customer? How can you provide more value for them through social media? It's not about you, it's about them. So stay top of mind, stay relatable, get more organic outreach on social media by paying attention to top trending hashtags. Again, those top 3 I'm recommending for you today. Hashtag Monday Motivation, hashtag National Southern Food Day, hashtag I still haven't found. As always, you can find out more about me and how to grow your business using social media at alliecloster.com. See you again soon. Bye.